This is a set of XReal Augmented Reality glasses. This is the Air 2 Pro. Now they've got a bunch of different styles. This is my first set of XReals. So if we open it up, we get the manual. There's not much to the manual. It basically just shows you how they physically operate in respects to the how you're going to attach it to your head. So you've got the arms here, and then you've got the nose piece. And the arms can be adjusted up and down here. The nose piece comes with a couple of different nose pieces. There's also a way to get prescription lens inserts. These have a dark kind of cover screen, and this is so that you can kind of black out or darken the glasses completely if you're in a bright environment and you just want to see against some darkness. But typically these are augmented reality, so you're going to see right through these glasses, and as you look through, this top portion is going to be a display of whatever you choose. It can be a big giant display, it could be a floating permanently attached display. So what this does is using USB cables that plug into the back of the earpiece here and then into the device. If it's a phone, or if it's a computer, or if it's a drone controller, or if it's a video game or something, this is going to become the monitor for you, and this monitor is going to be sort of projected in space. Now what's also neat is you've got a couple of subtle buttons here, and these are going to allow you to adjust these are sunglasses really, so even though they look clear now, you can dim them down to make them very dark, and then you can bring them back up if you're going to use them in an indoors environment. Really neat, really getting the hang of them. Lots of videos out there to teach you how to use them. Hope this helps. The future's here.